Hello everyone. So I've been getting a lot of inquiry, people asking how they can move down to the United States of America through study. Study is the easiest way to migrate to any country, especially the United States of America. So if your destination is the USA, then you really need to watch this video. I've done videos in the past about how to move down to the USA for free. I've shared universities in the US that provide scholarships and other forms of financial aid for international students to study free of charge. And a lot of my viewers have gone ahead to apply to these universities, and there's just been a lot of inquiry about it. So I just thought I should make a video, to show you other universities. So if you want to study for your bachelor's, master's, or PhD, then you really need to watch this video because I'm going to be showing you universities where you can do that with financial aid. So you don't have to break the bank to study in America. So if you want to migrate to America, this is the easiest way to do it, easiest and fastest. And studying in America is a very good way to settle in the country, get your permanent residency and your citizenship. So do watch this video if that is in your plans. If you're just meeting, my name is Jackie and you're welcome to the channel. Do subscribe to the channel so you can be seeing more videos like this. If relocation is what you really want to do, yeah, you really need to watch a lot of videos. You can't rely on just one video. You need to arm yourself with a whole lot of information that will help your process to be faster, easier, and even cheaper. On my channel right now, I have a whole lot of videos that you can watch that are going to facilitate your migration. You're going to see videos on how to migrate without needing IELTS or without needing a job offer, how to migrate to several countries like the UK, Netherlands, Portugal, Australia, Germany, Sweden, Spain, so many countries. So you may want to watch those videos so you can know your options. If you want to migrate, for work, you want to migrate for study, or you just need change of environment, you want to take your family and go reside in a foreign country, there are videos for everybody on my channel. So do watch my existing videos and also turn on the post notifications. So every time I share a new video, you'll be notified. So you just click the notification and then watch the video. And if you want to talk to me privately, you want to talk about your personal needs when it has to do with relocation, then you can book a one-on-one consultation with me. A link is in the description box on how to do that, or you send me a direct message on Instagram. So there are three ways to reach me. Either you book a consultation using the link in the description box, or you send me an email or a DM on Instagram. And if you're a returning viewer to my channel, thank you so much for coming back. I hope you do find value in my channel. If you do, then give this video a thumbs up. That is a like. It's just a way of appreciating what I do. Seeing your likes and your comments, encourage me a whole lot and motivate me to do more videos for you. So do give this video a thumbs up to support the channel. All right, so let me show you these schools real quick. There are 11 scholarships available in the school. So studying here is going to be really good because you can take advantage of any of the scholarships that you qualify for. So these are the list of 11 scholarships that are available in this school. There is the Academic Advantage Scholarship, the Emerging Technology Scholarship, Intensive English Alumni Scholarship, Student Support Scholarship, Women in Technology Scholarship, STEM Scholarship, Dedication Scholarship, Creative Mind Scholarship, so many scholarships in this school. So you can totally get, assistance when you want to study in this school. There is financial aid and you can, get to have some of your tuition fees paid off by the scholarships. So this is really amazing. So another very amazing information that I want to show you is the fact that you can get your admission in just a matter of days. How long will it take to process my application? The application may take 1 to 2 business days to be processed. 1 to 2 business days to be processed, right? So you would get a decision on your application in 1 to 2 business days. So at 2 business days, 2 days from the day you apply, you are sure to get a decision, right? So this is really amazing. So it's something you really need to apply for immediately. Once it has been processed, we will contact you regarding any additional documents that we may need to complete the application process. All applicants will be notified in writing of the admission decision once the application, the $75 registration fee, and all required documents are completed and submitted. Yeah, so 1 to 2 business days, you will get your application processed. So when does the next semester start? Let's just get to see, the frequently asked questions that could come up. Admission to Full Sail is done on a rolling basis. Degree programs commence each month. Once a particular degree program has filled, you can be placed on a waiting list for that month or choose another start date. While there is no deadline date for application, we strongly suggest at least 3 months prior to the start date of your choice to provide you with enough time to make all the necessary arrangements. So for international students, this is actually information for international students, yeah. But they're giving you like 3 months that you should apply 3 months ahead your expected start date. But for some countries, you may need to go even as much as 5 months because the visa application could take longer. It takes different amounts of time to get your visa in different countries. Some may be able to get it, under 3 months, some 5 months, and even more. So do apply as soon as possible if you have intention to school this year in this school. All right. Okay, so let's go see what the admission requirements are. There are other FAQs here. Okay, let's see this one. So if you want to do your bachelor's, yeah, do you require SAT or ACT or GRE and GMAT for admission? Yeah, so this is for both undergraduate and graduate programs. Yeah, we do not require them as part of the admissions process. So you don't need your SAT, you don't need your GRE and GMAT, to apply to this school, right? So it says see the admissions section for a detailed list of admissions requirements. So let's head there and see what the admissions requirements are. So admissions, right? Whether you're a potential undergraduate, graduate, or international student, the admissions team at Full Sail is ready to help you begin your path to a degree in entertainment, media, and emerging technologies. So let's just go straight to see international, yeah? Okay. So there's information here that will be very helpful on everything that is needed, visa prep, your visa and all of things like that, your housing, every information needed for international students. You're going to find it on this page. So let's just see the international application checklist, right? So use this checklist as a guide to what you need to enroll at Full Sail and to help keep track of submitted materials. Yeah. So number one is interview with admissions prep. So the interview can be conducted over phone, Skype, or other communication tools. So you're gonna have the first stage, right, is interview with the admissions representative. Then number two is your high school or secondary school transcripts or your university or college transcripts. Depending on what program you're going in for, you will need to get your transcripts, right? And apart from the transcripts as well, it also needs to be, okay, let's read this, accompanied by a third party evaluation for graduate programs, right? So your degree needs to be evaluated, right? Okay, so number four is verification of language proficiency. Applicants whose native language is not English language, must demonstrate the required level of language proficiency by providing documentation of one of the following. So these are the test scores that are eligible. So for TOEFL, you need a minimum score of 79. IELTS is a minimum score of 6. And Pearson Test of English Academic, that is a PTE, needs a score of 53. So this is for people whose native language is not English. So if your native language is English, then you're exempt from the English proficiency test. And then number five is financial guarantee. This is verification that you will have the required funding for tuition and living expenses available to you while you are studying at Full Sail. Contact International Admissions for the minimum amount required based on your degree program. So it's, program specific. Everything that has to do with financials is program specific. So do check out what, it is for the program that you choose. I'm going to show you the programs in a bit. And then number 6 is a copy of government identification. And number 7 is additional requirements. So if they ask for, like your portfolio, math assessments, or previous education criteria may be required based on your degree. So there are different programs, different degrees require different things. So additional requirements, you need to check that with the program that you want to apply to. And then after you've applied, you obtain your visa, housing, prepare for arrival, safety, and all of that. So all this information is very necessary. You need to go through them. I'll leave the link in the description. So let's quickly look at, things that have to do with the programs that they have in this school. Okay, let's see here. Degree programs. These are the areas of study: art and design, business, film and television, games, media and communications, music and recording, sports technology. They have bachelor's degrees and master's degrees here. And you can school on campus and online, but I'm sure you want to school on campus. Okay, so let's just see, what the website is like. This is the homepage, Full Sail University. So this is the homepage, and very interesting school. So Full Sail University offers campus and online degree programs that are designed for the world of entertainment, media, and emerging technologies. Our programs include associate, bachelor's, and master's degrees, as well as single courses and course stacks offered through the Full Sail DC3. So that's just it. And you can also have schedule a tour and all of that. So this is the school, Full Sail. Check the link in the description so you can see more about this school. All right. So it says here, apply by May 12 for all remaining 2023 campus start date. So you need to take action immediately. This is very urgent. All right, I hope you found that valuable. If you did, do give the video a thumbs up. That is a like. And also share the video with others so they can apply to these schools as well. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you want to know other ways you can move down to the United States for free, then do watch this playlist over here to get more information. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Jackie, and I will see you in my next video.